Welcome to the Zenith floor plan. This beautiful home includes 2 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a private den, a gourmet kitchen with a granite center island and walk-in pantry, and a large open great room, all that interact perfectly with the included backyard covered patio. The master suite of the Zenith includes a private bathroom retreat with a large step-in shower, twin sinks, and a huge walk-in closet. This amazing new home also includes plenty of extra storage and a 2-bay garage. And because Lennar is the one and only home builder in Phoenix to offer everything's included homes, the Zenith also includes all the green features, smart technology, and luxury designer upgrades that you've come to expect from Lennar. For more information on this amazing new home or for directions to any of our premier neighborhoods, visit lennar.com.